Right then, what I'm going to do here is show you how to create a new object on Salesforce. So that's all the different things you see here along the top, like leads, accounts, opportunities, things like that. So go to Setup, click on the gear icon. That'll open in a new tab. We don't have to go search for anything here, just in the top right of the home, you see the Create icon. Click on that and come down to Custom Object. Now, it's quite simple really from here. You just name it as whatever you want it to be. For this, I'm going to have it as just contacts. You put the label and the plural label in as well, which for me will be the same. This will be the different object you have. You can add a description and change the format as well. You can have it to allow reports and activities. You could also change whether or not it's in the development status or deployed. I'm going to leave it as deployed. And it's as simple as that. You just click save and then you've got your new object.